Most people think starting an AI business in 2026 costs a fortune in servers and developers. They're wrong. You can launch a profitable AI agency today for less than 5,000 Rand, basically the cost of a mid-range sneaker. While everyone else is just using ChatGPT, I'm going to show you how to sell it as a service. No time wasting, let's get into the money. You have three main paths in 2026. First, the WhatsApp chatbot concierge. Small SA businesses like hair salons and plumbers are losing leads because they don't answer WhatsApp fast enough. You build them an AI agent to book appointments 24/7. Second, AI content repurposing. Take one long video and turn it into 20 TikToks and LinkedIn posts instantly. Third, AI native SEO. Using tools to help local brands show up in AI search overviews. Here is your 5,000 Rand budget breakdown. Forget expensive coders. Spend 600 Rand a month on a pro AI model like GPT-4o or Claude 3.5. Spend 200 Rand on a domain and a simple site. The rest? Keep it for coffee and data. In 2026, the best tools are agentic. They don't just write, they do work. Use platforms like Make.com to connect AI to WhatsApp and Gmail. It's drag and drop. No coding required. The secret? Don't sell AI. Sell time. Don't tell a lawyer you have a large language model. Tell them you have a virtual assistant that files their documents in seconds. Reach out to local SMEs on LinkedIn or even walk into local businesses. Offer a 7-day free trial. Once they see the AI working while they sleep, they won't want to turn it off. Building an AI business is about being the bridge between the tech and the people who need it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2026 side hustles. Now, go build something.